بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
قد أفلح المؤمنون.
The believers have indeed attained true success.
الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون.
Those who in their prayers humble themselves.
والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون.
Who avoid whatever is vain and frivolous.
والذين هم للزكاة فاعلون.
Who observe zakah.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
Who strictly guard their private parts.
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
Save from their wives or those whom their right hands possess, for with regard to them they are free from blame.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
As for those who seek beyond that, they are transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون.
Who are true to their trusts and their covenants.
والذين هم على صلواتهم يحافظون.
And who guard their prayers.
أولئك هم الوارثون.
Such are the inheritors.
الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون.
That shall inherit paradise, and in it they shall abide forever.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من سلالة من طين.
We created man out of the extract of clay.
ثم جعلناه نطفة في قرار مكين.
Then we made him into a drop of life germ. Then we placed it in a safe depository.
ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين.
Then we made this drop into a clot. Then we made the clot into a lump. Then we made the lump into bones. Then we clothed the bones with flesh. And then we caused it to grow into another creation. Thus, most blessed is Allah, the best of all those that create.
ثم إنكم بعد ذلك لميتون.
Thereafter, you are destined to die.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة تبعثون.
And then on the day of resurrection, you shall certainly be raised up.
ولقد خلقنا فوقكم 7 طرائق وما كنا عن الخلق غافلين.
We have indeed fashioned above you 7 paths. Never were we unaware of the task of creation.
وأنزلنا من السماء ماء بقدر لأسكناه في الأرض وإنا على ذهاب به لقادرون.
We sent down water from the sky in right measure and caused it to stay in the earth, and we have the power to cause it to vanish in the manner we please.
فأنشأنا لكم به جنات من نخيل وأعناب لكم فيها فواكه كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
Then through water we caused gardens of date palms and vines to grow for you, wherein you have an abundance of delicious fruits, and from them you derive your livelihood.
وشجرة تخرج من طور سيناء تنبت بالدهن وصبغ للآكلين.
And we also produce the tree which springs forth from Mount Sinai, containing oil and sauce for those that eat.
وإن لكم في الأنعام لعبرة نسقيكم مما في بطونها ولكم فيها منافع كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
And indeed, there's also a lesson for you in cattle. We provide you with drink out of what they have in their bellies. And you have many other benefits in them. You eat of them.
وعليها وعلى الفلك تحملون.
And are carried on them and also on ships.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه فقال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
We sent Noah to his people and he said, My people, serve Allah. You have no deity other than He. Do you have no fear?
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يريد أن يتفضل عليكم ولو شاء الله لأنزل ملائكة ما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
But the notables among his people had refused to believe and said, This is none other than a mortal like yourselves who desires to attain superiority over you. Had Allah wanted to send any messengers, He would have sent down angels. We've heard nothing like this in the time of our forebears of old, that humans were sent as messengers.
إن هو إلا رجل به جنة فتربصوا به حتى حين.
He is a person who has been seized with a little madness. So wait for a while, perhaps he will improve.
قال رب انصرني بما كذبون.
Noah said, My Lord, come to my help at their accusation that I am lying.
فأوحينا إليه أن اصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا فإذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور فاسلك فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول منهم ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم
Thereupon we revealed to him, saying, build the ark under our eyes, and according to our revelation. And when our command came to pass, and the oven boils over, take on board a pair each from every species, and also take your household, except those of them against whom sentence has already been passed. And do not plead to me on behalf of the wrongdoers. They are doomed to be drowned.
فإذا استويت أنت ومن معك على الفلك فقل الحمد لله الذي نجانا من القوم الظالمين.
And then when you and those accompanying you are firmly seated in the ark, say, thanks be to Allah, who has delivered us from the wrongdoing people.
وقل رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا وأنت خير المنزلين.
And say, my Lord, make my landing a blessed landing, for you are the best of those who can cause people to land in safety.
إن في ذلك لآيات وإن كنا لمبتلين.
There are great signs in this story, and surely we do put people to test.